Okay, my past video I'm already show you how to drain the oil and replace the oil filter. Now I'm gonna show you in this another quick video the second part of doing an oil change in a 2006 Nissan Pathfinder 4.0. I'm gonna show you how to fill all the fluids. This is where you're gonna put the oil on the car. And the engine, this 4.0 Nissan Pathfinder. These plugs get really tight. So let's go get the oil. Okay, we have the oil. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put a funnel. You're gonna put 5 quarts on it. And in this case, I'm gonna use I'm gonna put 5 quarts, and we're gonna be using the car for at least 1,000 miles. Then we're gonna do the oil change again, because when we drain the oil, it's really dirty. So we kind of wanna get this oil. We're gonna sacrifice this oil, run it. That's gonna help us to clean the engine, and that's it. Then we do the oil again and we see how it goes. Maybe another 2,000 miles now, and do it again. Depends how it comes out. I can go to 3,000, or I can go back to 2,000 miles and do that again. Because the cars, they leave the car so long without oil change, the oil gets really dirty. And oil on cars is not just for lubrication. They also need the oil for lifters, the hydraulic lifters. So it's very important to have a good clean oil for those parts. The tensioners for the timing chain, they hydraulic, so you need to take care of that too. Make sure these hoses, they not leaking. This is where you're gonna put the windshield washer. Okay, this is where you're gonna put any freeze. It's good to do it right in the morning before you start it up. Best thing to do, put a flashlight and see the level right there. You see it? It's good. So we're gonna put a little bit windshield washer fluid. This is the power steering fluid. It looks very good. Somebody use a transmission fluid. That's not good, because it makes the car humming. Power steering start humming if you put power steering fluid. So we're gonna get that windshield washer. What is it? I think I ran out. Okay, so we finished filling the windshield washer fluid. Oops, this cover just pushed in. This one, I'm gonna put it back in. That's it. Come on, give me that thing. I'm gonna put this away. And we're gonna go drive it. Alright, so that's how you fill your transmission fluid after you that's how you fill the engine. You put 5 quarts on it, and now we're gonna go for road test, and hopefully our car pass inspection. But we find a little problem. This boot is ripped. This is a problem. We can get a nice little coat, 420 and 430 all together, because this. So if you see one of these little boots ripped or broken, you want to replace them. You check engine light, it will come on, and it's gonna show you that you have a bad Cadillac Convera or another crazy stuff, or your mass airflow is not good. This is the problem. the boot. Alright, so we ordered it. Alright, so and then check the radiator and check the reservoir. So make sure you check your radiator too. It is a little low. So let's fill this thing. I almost forget. Okay, the radiator cup, it looks this funny way because that one is the one that has pressure. This one is only a bypass. So this is what we're gonna use, and we're gonna fill it up. Okay, we're done. That's how you check your fluids. All right, bye bye.